everybody, and today we are not going to be playing games, but I will be showing you what you will need to build a perfect gaming PC. Now I'm going to open the PC and show you what's inside so you know what to get for your dream gaming PC. Okay, for the gaming PC, you will need a motherboard, processor, a video graphics card, and high-speed RAMs, and solid-state hard drive. First, I'll talk about the motherboard. The motherboard I have is an MSI gaming motherboard. The model number is X570 Pro. This is an AMD board for second and third generation. Why I choose AMD instead of Intel? AMD is always known for better graphics. Most graphic designers prefer AMD. Okay, now let's look at the back of the motherboard to see what ports we have. The motherboard has many USB 3 and 3.1 ports. And it also has built-in audio cards. And this also has built-in LAN and Wi-Fi. The second part and the main thing is the processor. I got AMD processor Ryzen 7 3800X. This is almost one of the high processors. You can see the processor has nice LED lights. With the software that comes with it, you can change the light to whatever color you want. And the motherboard has its own LED. The next part is the RAMs, and it's very important to make the games not lag. I got 32 gigabyte RAMs. You can see those two, they're both 16, so that makes 32. The thing that we are all looking for is the graphics card. I got the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 6 gigabyte RAMs. This video card is one of the top video and gaming video cards. Now let's have a close look at the video card. This video card has 2 fans to keep its temperature normal so you can play without needing to worry for the video card to get hot. And there is a third fan that will work automatically so your computer can stay cool. And also, the video card has 2 outputs, 2 HDMI and 2 DVI. And then we need the power supply. This is the power supply. It's 650 watt. It's called SuperNOVA. This motherboard can have 2 SSD drives. I got 1 terabyte SSD. At the end, we need a case to put all of these pieces inside. I got a nice case for $75, which has more than enough space. Now I showed you what my gaming PC looks like. If you feel like this is too expensive, then start by buying the case and the motherboard and use used parts. And later, when you got some extra money, you can upgrade your pieces every once in a while. This is a good investment because this gaming PC can last with me without an upgrade for 5 years. Right in the description all I have so you can grab these pieces for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions on the gaming PC, please leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!